Hello, hi, this is Ian from Hyperise. Thanks for joining us on this demo quick start session. Today, we're going to be looking at what is Hyperise, how can it help you increase your sales, meetings, bookings, and engagement outreach, and also how to get started, how you can start adding these to your campaigns, to your email, to LinkedIn outreach today and start generating more sales. Let's jump in. First of all, what is Hyperise? Hyperise at its core uses image personalization to drive user engagement. As we all probably know, the reason why you're here today is user engagement is getting harder and harder. Your prospects are being bombarded every day by thousands of marketing messages, and that means that the amount of time you have to grab their attention and to put across what your call to action is getting harder and harder because you've got less and less time. And so standing out from the crowd, engaging them and making sure that your message stands out is key to that. And that's really where images come in. Images are the most effective way to communicate. The human brain is hardwired to process images significantly quicker than text. In fact, 60,000 times quicker than text. So just an image in itself is a great way of conveying your message. But when we include personalization inside that image, because the image is processed so quickly, it triggers what's referred to as a pattern interrupt. That pattern interrupt is essentially a psychological behavior that just puts a brake on the brain. The subconscious brain sees their personalization before the conscious brain does and is shouting out, stop, pay more attention to this. And that increased mindshare leads to more engagement and ultimately more people taking your call to action. So images are an incredibly powerful way of conveying your message, and the personalization in them is a really effective way of delivering a moment of delight and getting your users to pay more attention to your whole message. So really what it comes down to is how can we use images and personalize them in a purposeful way. With Hyperise, we found two ways that are super successful and efficient at delivering this in a very purposeful way. The first of those, if you're a salesperson or if you're reaching out and your call to action involves some sort of human interaction, is by personalizing that message in a humanized way. So for example, we can see here this example top left where we've got James from Staff Circle, and he's got a whiteboard, physical object in his office, and he's just literally just drawing a line on the whiteboard, and everything else, the personalization of the name and the business, etc. So all being added dynamically with Hyperise. Similarly, we've got Ash here down at the bottom, and in this case, he's got a physical laptop in his office, and we're personalizing the screen of that with a screenshot of the prospect's website. A great way if you want to reference their site. Hey, I've just looked at your website and I've got some really exciting news or some really exciting tips for you. Again, purposeful personalization, whilst also using the humanization, which obviously that humanization, as humans, we love to interact with other humans. That's just how we're genetically made up. And so having another human there, especially when it's a GIF, when it's moving, that live, making it live interaction, that leads to building stronger relationships and building trust right off the bat before you've actually even met. So making your call to action way more significant. Other ways will be adding personalized layers on top of your image. For example, if you just connect with somebody on LinkedIn, visualize that and show that in a kind of almost a little bit humor way and personalize it, make people feel great. Great icebreaker. Or finally, using augmented reality markers where you can be holding the marker and replacing that with a personalized image. In this example, inviting somebody to an event, having a visualization of an event ticket personalized to the recipient, and then you holding it, or offering somebody a discount, or offering somebody value for them to take action. All of these are great ways and great examples of where you can humanize your personalized images for great success. The alternative to humanizing images is to use visualization. Now here's a great example from G2, one of our clients. And what G2 have done is replicate reports they're actually producing, mocking them up within Hyperise, and in this case, personalizing them to the recipient, to the prospect that they're reaching out to, showing them in a prominent position as the leader in their sector. Now what this is doing is providing an aspirational message where G2 will be saying, if you work with us, you could become a category leader in the future. Now this is incredibly powerful and a great way to visualize and show success of what will happen if they take action. And in G2's case, it tripled their reply rates from 15 to 48%. Let's look at one more example of visualization. In this case, another one of our clients, reply.io, what they're doing is using this diagrammatic example of visualizing a pain point that their prospects might have and then showing the solution to that, including the personalization of the client's logo dynamically in that diagram. And in this case, it's significantly increasing their reply rates from 11 to 21%. So as we can see, doubling, tripling your engagement, your outreach, getting people to take action significantly more can be very simple using either humanized GIFs or visualizing them with images like we've seen here. So enough of the slide deck. Let's jump in and show you exactly how you can get started right now and start implementing this in your own campaigns. So what I'm going to do first of all is jump over to hyperise.com and I'm going to sign up for a free trial. Very simple to do. All we need to do is put in our details in terms of our name, email address, password, and that's it. No credit cards needed, no commitment in terms of having to go beyond the trial. Now what we're going to do first of all is create our first image. So you can see here we've got a prompt, create new image. I'm going to click that. I'm going to go straight into the image editor. Now first of all, we're going to be given a choice of hundreds of templates that we can choose from and stock images. Now of course, you're free to start with a blank template and upload your own images on branding or whatever it is you need. But for the purpose of this example, I'm going to choose one of our templates. We can also filter down by these various different tags based on the purpose. I'm just going to simply choose this one here, where I'm going to act as a salesperson trying to get people to book into my calendar. So we've got the effect of this iPad template here, where we're going to have a personalized first name with a call to action, in this case, click here to book a call. With all of our templates, you've got complete control over changing any aspect of it. So don't think you have to choose a template that's exactly your need. Just choose one that's close to what you need, and then we can start to modify it. The way the image editor works is very simple. We have our layer controls on the left. All of these can be just dragged into the canvas, and for the various different types of placeholders. So for example, we have text here where we can add in personalization tags such as name, business name, job title, or whatever else it is that you think will going to be useful within your personalized image. In addition to that, we also have other personalized placeholders such as business logo or website screenshot or even personalized map, and all of these will be dynamically personalized based on the data that we add to our templates when we send them out. We'll come back to that in a moment. So in this case, we've got our template. What we can do is obviously move all of these around and set them to our required positions. We can also, as we select the different elements, see on the right hand side the settings. So for example, if I wanted to change this font, I could change that to a different one very simply, and obviously as well as set the size of that font. Once we're happy with our image, we could use this and add this into our outreach, and Hyperise integrates with hundreds of different outreach platforms. But actually what I want to do is I want to personalize this further and humanize the image. So what I'm going to first do is humanize that and choose this option here within Canvas settings, humanize image. Now what that's going to do is open up this template where we can see the image that we've just created, the image template, and we can record our own GIF holding one of these placeholders, which is an augmented reality placeholder. So let's start. These placeholders, we have two options here, either portrait or landscape, and you can simply print these off, fold them up, and hold them in your hand. If you don't have a printer at hand, you can also just put them on your mobile phone screen and use that and hold that instead. Once we've printed it off, or you put it onto your phone, we simply just need to click record new GIF, and that's going to give you the option to use your webcam that you have on your computer and set the format. So whether you want it square or rectangle or portrait. In this case, I'm going to just choose the default, which is pretty universally usable for all sort of mediums, whether email, LinkedIn, etc. We can also choose the record length. Typically 2 seconds is enough if we just want to kind of bring it towards the camera or point at it or do whatever we want to do. When we're kind of ready, simply click record. We get a nice simple countdown, and then we're good to go. Once we've recorded our GIF, if we're not happy with it, we can retry and record another one, or if we're happy with it, simply click submit. Obviously, what helps is to have a nice clear lit room to keep your image nice and clear. Once the GIF has been recorded, we will see the example template being replaced with the placeholder, and what we can finally do is also scale that. So if we want it to be much bigger than our actual placeholder that we're holding, especially if you're using a mobile phone, you might want it to be much bigger. So in this case, we can just slide the scale. Just going to have that there, so it's just a little bit bigger. I like to see, I can still see my fingertips, so it looks like we're still holding it. And then finally, just click Enable Humanize GIF and click Done. Now we can save our changes here. We want to make it public so we can start to use this in campaigns. What we can also do is preview this, and here we can put in any sort of data we want to see how it's going to look. So in this case, it's going to pull through my default account data. So I'm going to change that and put in another email address and clear all of the data just so we can see how that's going to look. In this case, you can see I put tim@apple.com, and we can see we're pulling through, in this case, his profile image as well as his name. What we could do within this image, if we didn't want if we didn't want his profile, but maybe wanted the Apple logo, we could remove that and then just drag in the logo element. Maybe just resize that a little bit, and also maybe make it round rather than square. So let's save that and now preview again. And what we should see now is the Apple logo, whereas before we saw his profile. So again, super simple to do that. No work needed to go and get those logos. Hyperise is going to do all that work automatically. And now we have this really nice, compelling image where we've got a personalized call to action, and we're also humanizing that. So once we've created our personalized image template, obviously what we want to do is start to add that into our campaigns. Now, Hyperise integrates with hundreds of different platforms, whether it be email, CRM, LinkedIn automation tools. All of these are going to be available. All we need to do is simply click Get Image Code button and then add the integration we want. And as I mentioned before, hundreds of different options. In this case, I'm just going to be a bit lazy and choose the first one here, which is Active Campaign. I'm going to add that to my template, and then straight away we get the code that we need to add into our Active Campaign message templates. I'm simply going to choose Copy Code and then add it into the campaign in Active Campaign. If you're not sure of where to do that, of course, when you're doing this the first time, that will be the case. We have an integration guide for whatever platform you've chosen. So I'm just going to click that, open it up in another tab, and we'll see step one is what we've just done, selected the integration and copied the code. And then step two, we're going to go into our message template in Active Campaign, and we're going to add a HTML block into the template, and then just simply paste in the code that we've copied from Hyperise. And that's it. that image template will then personalize dynamically on the fly in real time every time that template's used in a campaign, irrespective of whether it's a campaign to 10 people, 100 people, 1,000 people, or any other number. Simply just adding that template code in there, and then that's it. You're set and you're off. And that's the simplest way you can start to increase engagement in your outreach. Creating your humanized GIF, having a personalized call to action like we saw here, and then humanizing it and adding it into your templates. Also, what we can do is do this as well as at scale, do it individually one-to-one. Now, Hyperise also has a Chrome extension that enables you to do this in your Gmail, in Outlook, even in LinkedIn messages or Facebook Messenger. So let's just jump over to Gmail and see how that works. I'm going to compose a message. I'm going to put in an email here. I'm just going to choose Tim. I'm going to put in a quick message. Hi, Tim. And you can see here we've got this little button that enables us to show all of the personalized image templates we've got. And I can either filter by keyword. So for example, the template we were playing with before. I can also put a link in here. So if I want the image to be clickable, then we can also make it clickable. And if we're using Hyperise website personalization, and we'll cover that in another call, you can also personalize those landing pages. So I'm simply going to choose submit. And there we see it, our personalized image to Tim with his name, with his logo dynamically in that image. Very simple to do, took seconds to achieve, and yet it's going to have a significant impact, as we saw before from some of the case studies, doubling or tripling our engagement, doubling or tripling the amount of people booking sales calls. Let's have a look again and see how we can do that in LinkedIn. So we can see here I'm in my LinkedIn messages, and actually here's one I've already sent before. In this case to Anirban, you can see here I'm inviting him to a trial of Hyperise, and we've got a golden ticket personalized to him with his name and his business name, Capgemini. And if I wanted to add another one, I'd simply click again the button here. We've got a short link button, and again we're going to be able to choose from all of our images and filter. Also choose a title, for example, first name, let's have a chat, which is going to be personalized, as we can see here underneath the image, as well as also being able to choose a destination URL. So again, very simple to be able to do this and add personalization to our Outlook, to our Gmail, to our LinkedIn, or wherever else we're doing that. And of course, being able to do it at scale using one of the hundreds of integrations. Again, within the Hyperise platform, when you first log into a new account, you're going to have a checklist. It's going to give you the options to get your personalized Chrome extension, so you can install that one Chrome extension that's going to enable you to add personalized images to all of those areas, as well as also being able to personalize your landing pages. So with Hyperise, it's not just about images, it's also about being able to hyper personalize your whole funnel, personalizing your landing pages on your existing website, or even creating landing pages within Hyperise with personalized images and personalized video. But today, this quick demo and startup is going to be focused on the personalized images. This is the one thing you can do today. It's going to have a huge impact in your outreach. So get started today, start your trial, create your first image template, and start to see the benefit from that. Of course, we're here to help. If you do have any questions, we've got a full support suite here where you can chat to us, ask us questions directly, or if you've got a few questions and you think conversations via chat is going to be a little bit convoluted, book a meeting and our support specialist will be here to chat to you on a video call like we're having today and give you the support that you need. I hope this session has been useful. Of course, any questions, pop them into the side column here and we'll be happy to help. I look forward to catching you soon in your trial and wishing you the best of success with your outreach. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.